Welcome to Roadrunner, your go-to destination for the latest car reviews, specs, and all things automotive. In today's video, we're diving deep into the highly anticipated 2025 Maruti Suzuki Baleno. With the new year fast approaching, Maruti Suzuki has been busy revamping its popular hatchback, the Baleno, which has long been one of the top choices in the segment. If you're in the market for a new car or simply interested in the latest automotive trends, stay tuned as we take a closer look at what the 2025 model has to offer. The 2025 Maruti Suzuki Baleno comes with several exciting updates, both in terms of design and performance. Maruti Suzuki has always been known for delivering value-packed vehicles, and the Baleno is no exception. The new model maintains its sleek and aerodynamic exterior while offering a fresh and modern look. The front end features a bold grille, flanked by new, sharper headlights that enhance the car's overall presence. The rear of the car also receives a makeover with new LED taillights that add a premium touch. In terms of dimensions, the 2025 Baleno remains true to its predecessors, providing ample space for both passengers and cargo. The hatchback continues to offer a roomy cabin with generous legroom and headspace, making it an ideal choice for families or those who often travel with friends. The boot space is also quite impressive for a hatchback, offering more than enough room for your daily needs and longer trips. Moving on to the interior, Maruti Suzuki has put a lot of effort into upgrading the cabin. The 2025 Baleno now comes with a more modern and refined interior, with higher quality materials and a more premium feel. The dashboard features a sleek design with easy-to-use controls, while the seats are comfortable and provide good support for long drives. The center console is home to a large touchscreen infotainment system, which now supports both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, making it easier for drivers to stay connected on the go. The system is responsive, and the display is bright and easy to read, even under direct sunlight. The 2025 Baleno also offers a host of convenience features, such as automatic climate control, keyless entry, push-button start, and a new, more advanced instrument cluster. The cabin is equipped with ample storage spaces, including cup holders, door pockets, and a center armrest with additional storage. One of the highlights of the new Baleno is its inclusion of a rear-view camera, which helps with parking and ensures greater safety while reversing. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Baleno is equipped with the brand's tried and tested 1.2-liter dual-jet petrol engine. This engine has been tuned for efficiency and provides a balance between power and fuel economy. The engine produces around 90 horsepower, which is more than enough for city commutes and highway drives. The car's smooth and responsive performance is further enhanced by the new 5-speed manual transmission or the option of an automatic transmission with a CVT, continuously variable transmission, for a more relaxed driving experience. Maruti Suzuki has also made improvements to the Baleno's suspension system, ensuring a smoother and more comfortable ride. The car now handles bumps and rough roads better, providing a more refined driving experience. The steering has been tuned for a more connected feel, offering better feedback and precision, making it easier to maneuver in tight spaces or during highway overtakes. In terms of safety, the 2025 Baleno is packed with features to keep both the driver and passengers protected. It comes with dual airbags, ABS with EBD, and a reinforced body structure that enhances crash protection. The car also features rear parking sensors, a rear view camera, and ESP, electronic stability program, to further enhance its safety credentials. While it may not have the same level of advanced driver assistance systems as some higher-end vehicles, the 2025 Baleno certainly offers a good range of safety features for its segment. Fuel efficiency has always been a key selling point for the Maruti Suzuki Baleno, and the 2025 model continues this tradition. The 1.2-liter engine offers impressive mileage figures, making it an excellent choice for those who prioritize fuel economy. Whether you're driving in the city or on the highway, The Baleno's fuel efficiency is bound to save you money at the pump. As for the pricing, the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Baleno continues to offer excellent value for money, which is one of its main selling points. It comes in a variety of trims, each offering a range of features to cater to different customer preferences and budgets. The base models provide a solid set of features at a very competitive price, while the higher trims come with more premium features, including a larger infotainment screen, alloy wheels, and additional safety features. The 2025 Baleno is also expected to offer a good resale value, which is something Maruti Suzuki vehicles are known for. The brand's wide service network ensures that owners will have access to convenient and affordable maintenance options throughout the car's life cycle. With its solid reputation for reliability and low-cost ownership, the Baleno is likely to continue being a popular choice among buyers. One of the standout features of the 2025 Baleno is its modern design and high-tech features, which elevate it above its competitors in the hatchback segment. It strikes a perfect balance between style, practicality, and value, making it a great option for anyone looking for a reliable and affordable vehicle. Whether you're a young professional, a small family, or someone looking for a practical daily driver, the 2025 Baleno has something to offer. In conclusion, the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Baleno is a well-rounded hatchback that offers a great combination of style, performance, and value. It's an ideal choice for those looking for a modern, fuel-efficient vehicle with a solid feature list. With its refreshed design, upgraded interior, and improved driving dynamics, the Baleno remains one of the best choices in the segment. If you're considering buying a hatchback in 2025, the Maruti Suzuki Baleno should definitely be on your radar. We hope this review of the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Baleno helped you gain a better understanding of what this car has to offer. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the latest reviews and news from the world of cars, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Thank you for tuning in to Roadrunner, and we'll see you in the next video.